Hi everyone, this is Ruth and welcome back to my channel. This channel is mainly about my home lab where I build different setups, test networking tools, and experiment with infrastructure projects. My main goal with this lab is to practice cybersecurity skills in a real environment. So over time, I'll be building out different systems, security tools, and monitoring platforms. In this video, we're going to configure Suricata inside pfSense to detect Nmap scans coming from our Kali Linux attacker machine. Our lab consists of Kali Linux on VLAN 60, a Windows Server target on VLAN 70, and pfSense routing traffic between them. Because attacker traffic enters pfSense through VLAN 60, that's where we'll enable Suricata. We begin by installing Suricata. Inside pfSense, navigate to System, then Package Manager, and open the Available Packages tab. Search for Suricata, click Install, and confirm the installation. pfSense will download the package, install dependencies, and prepare the Intrusion Detection System or IDS for use. Once installation is complete, open Suricata from the Services menu. This brings us to the Suricata Management interface. Here, we select the interface where attacker traffic enters the firewall. In our case, that's VLAN 60, also known as Opt5. Click the Add button. Inside the interface configuration, enable Suricata. This activates packet inspection for all traffic coming from the attacker machine. Leave block offenders disabled. So Suricata runs in IDS mode, allowing us to observe and detect traffic without blocking it. Save the configuration and apply the changes. Before moving on, let's configure Suricata's global settings. Open the Global Settings tab where options apply across all interfaces. Here you'll find the rules set selections. Locate the ET-Open rules set and enable it. ET-Open is a free, open source collection of Suricata rules maintained by emerging threats. It provides broad coverage for common threats, including reconnaissance activity, scanning behavior, and suspected network patterns. While it's not as extensive as the commercial ET Pro rule set, ET Open still offers a strong baseline detection for labs and learning environments. Next, we need to download detection rules. Open the Updates tab and enable the ET Open rule set. These rules include signatures for Nmap scans, reconnaissance activity, and other suspicious behavior. Click Update Rules and wait for the download and installation to complete. Now, we enable the rules that detect scanning activity. Go to the Interface tab, click the Edit icon on Opt5, and under the category list, locate the Emerging Scan rules. This category contains Suricata's built-in detection logic for identifying scanning behavior on the network. It includes patterns associated with reconnaissance tools such as Nmap and MapScan, as well as general port scanning techniques. When this category is enabled, Suricata monitors for unusual connection attempts, rapid port probing, and traffic sequences that indicate a host is mapping services or identifying open ports. So now, let's enable the emerging scan category, then save the changes and apply them. Now, switch to the Kali Linux machine and generate reconnaissance traffic. Open a terminal and run an Nmap scan against the Windows Server target. This is the same command we used in our previous video when performing reconnaissance from Kali Linux to the Windows Server. It performs a stealth scene scan and service version detection. The traffic flows through pfSense on VLAN 60, where Suricata inspects in real time. Return to pfSense and open the Alerts tab inside Suricata. You should now see alerts indicating that Suricata has detected the Nmap scan. This confirms that Suricata is functioning correctly and monitoring attacker traffic as intended. Our cybersecurity lab now includes active intrusion detection system. Suricata monitors traffic, detects reconnaissance activity, and logs alerts for investigation. This brings our environment closer to real-world security operations, where the workflow is attack, detect, and investigate. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.